In this video, I'm gonna share with you how to add an indicator in NinjaTrader. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your NinjaTrader, then right click in your chart, then click on indicators here, or you can use Ctrl+I. So click on it, and here we have available. You can choose the indicator you want from here, or you can use the search bar. So for me, I will type, for example, MACD. This is the MACD. Now click on it and click on add. Now, as you can see here, these are some settings. You can change them if you want. We have here the colors and we have here the levels, as you can see. So click on apply and click on OK. And as you can see here, this is our indicator. If you want to make changes to it again, click on it until you see these dots, then right click and click on properties. As you can see here, this is our settings here. In that set, if you want to remove it, click on it until you see these dots, right click and click on remove. In that set. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.